Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox unexpected client behavior error code 268. So for this, first of all, you just have to press Window plus R button on your keyboard. Once here, type in %app data %. Once done typing, tap on OK. When the app data folder appear, in here maximize for better viewing. Now tap on app data on the upper corner, then in here tap on local. Over at local, tap on the folder that says in here, tap on the folder that says Roblox. Open it. Once you have opened the Roblox folder, this time open versions. Now open the second version folder that you find in here. Now scroll down once again and then double click on app settings. In here, open app settings using your internet browser. Close the internet browser for now. Then the next step is to open your settings application in your Windows PC. On settings, first go to status, then click on Wi-Fi. Once you find Wi-Fi, scroll down, then open network and sharing center. Then another window will pop up and then in here click on your connections. Once you click on it, you will see another window pop up and then in here click on properties. In here look for internet protocol version 4. Event another pop-up will appear. In here follow the same settings that I have over at my screen at the same values as well. Now click on validate settings. Upon exit, then click on OK. And here click on OK as well. Then close the last pop-up. In here, you can also close or minimize your settings. Now wait for Windows Network Diagnostics to finish loading. Now your internet browser, try opening roblox.com and that's it. Your problem will be solved. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.